RAXZ, you're so naughty.
Have you ever loved someone so much you giving on for? Not the expression, no, literally giving on for. When they know they your heart, and you know you are their armor, and you